Okay, since we're going to be working with the steering, I'm going to unhook the battery because I don't want to accidentally set off an airbag. Take these off, and I'll take both of them off because I want to replace these little felt pads I have. I'll replace these guys. Getting pretty dirty. Okay. Be right back. Okay, we're gonna go underneath. And this is a 1/2 inch. Okay, it's right there. Set that up right there. You know, I had some sloppiness in this steering, and I had a friend go up there and turn the wheel back and forth, and I noticed the whole thing was turning, but it wasn't turning the wheels, and it was this bolt right here was loose. So if you ever have a sloppy steering, make sure this bolt is tight. Could be your problem. Okay. Okay, we'll try to take the top bolt out and see if it'll come out. Okay, this one's also a 1/2 inch. Let me see if I can push it from underneath. I took the bolt off completely on the bottom. It's almost out. There. Okay, let's take a look at this on the table. Okay, I got a couple boots here for these. I don't know which. Maybe they'll both work. I don't know. I'll put the links down below if they work. First thing I do is take these off, these old things off. And I gotta clean this up. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna clean all this up and I'll be right back. It's got a lot of grease in it and stuff. Be right back. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is pack it with some grease. So put it in there. Okay. That should be good for now. And get this end. Okay, that'd be good enough for now. Let's see how the boots go on. Maybe after I get the boots on, maybe I could squirt some grease in there. Okay, Take these gloves off. Oh, I tried getting this boot. Thinking of putting this one down here somehow. I don't know if it's gonna. I don't know how it's gonna stretch over this, but I'm gonna try cutting it here and probably there, and see how it works. So I'll cut it here. And put it here. Yeah, it might fit over that. Well, there, let's try it. Going over that. See if it goes over this. You know what? I'm going to squirt some more grease in there. Oh, it'd be nice and full. That should be good. It'll work its way in there anyways. Okay. Okay, let's get this over this. We can. You know, I think we're going to have to bring this to the vise. It'll be a lot easier. Man, it's slippery, so it's going to be hard to do. I need 3 hands. Shit. Damn. Alright. Let's see if these needle nose will help me out here. Yeah. Do the trick. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice already. Alright, let's take this out. I want to point out a mistake I made when putting the booty over the shaft. It took the rubber piece I have pictured here with it. I was in a rush and didn't even notice this till I was editing the video. I had to go back and straighten it out. So if you do this, be sure you don't make the same mistake I did. Back to the video. Okay. There's plenty of grease in there, I think, so put this so it can slide down. There. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, okay. Let me get that all straightened out and I'll be right back. Okay, I just pulled it up a little bit more here. It's pretty good. And I'll put some bag ties on it. Put one here. See if I can get one on here. Alright, doesn't look that pretty right here, but it'll keep the water out and the grease in. Wow. Okay. Snip these off. My hands are slippery because of that grease. There. Okay. So wash my hands. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll wash my hands. I'm going to hit it with some Rust-Oleum paint primer. I'll give it a couple coats. Give one more coat. That's good enough. Okay, let's put this thing back on. Okay, the paint's dry. It's ready to go in. Next is to get the bolt that goes to the rack and pinion. Okay, let me try getting this from the top. Okay. Okay, what I want to do is put a little thread locker on this bolt. Well, it can come out. Yeah, there's some. Okay. Yeah, let me put a little. And it's easier doing this right side up. And I want this one pretty tight. It got loose before. Okay, that's pretty tight. I don't know what the torque specs are. You know what? I'm going to go look them up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'll slide this up. Right there. Okay. I'm going to put some more thread locker on this bolt. I'll put some of this on. Down there, it's hard to put it on because it was upside down. Okay, that should be good. I found some torque settings. The bottom one was supposed to be like 26, which I checked and it seems okay. And this top one's supposed to be at 41. foot-pounds. Okay, I got a torque wrench here. Alright, right there. Okay, that's it. It's all done. That new booty will keep the dirt out, water, and any other junk that's on the roads that might get in there. Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and keep on wrenching. See you in the next video. Take care.